Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Yes, guys, it's your girl Lollipop, and I've got a gist for you. It's about AY the comedian. Yes, about his outing that took place at Austin in Texas there, and he conducted a public poll about the three presidential candidates we have in Nigeria. That's Asiwaju, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Atiku Abubakar, and Obi, Peter Obi, the obedient people. And do you know what? We never can tell. And do you know what? People over there, they choosing in short, they choose Peter Obi over Tinubu. Anyway, we never can tell. 2023 general election is around the corner. We never can tell what will happen in Nigeria concerning I just pray that somebody that will make this country a great country. Oh God, that will shape poverty away. Oh Jesus. That's my prayer. We never can tell. And you see all these obedient people, I hope they have gotten their PVC, not just shouting Obi, not just shouting Atiku, we are articulate, or shouting we are Jagaban, we are Tinubu. Go and get your PVC, guys. Have you gotten it? Please go and get it. It's very important. Yes, go and get it, because 2020 general election, Iboma so I'ma take car. Thank you, guys.
If you are articulate, make some noise. Okay, good. Articulate. Can you stand up on your noise? Okay, I see. In South Africa, saying articulate. It is not okay. I'm still in progression because I'm recording this. You see, do I have a permission to share this to the world? Now, if you know you are a million cup, make some noise. Make some noise. Make some noise. A million cup, make some noise. Stand up on your noise. Stand up on your noise. Stand up on your noise. Now, okay, I see one on that. Who's going to be looking now? The day they face me, whole press, and you don't come, now, my wife will beat you. If you don't come to suck your breast. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, if you know you are obedient, make some noise. Obi psychology, Obi psychology.